Welcome to Optima Camelview, where resort-style living meets modern luxury, right in the heart of Scottsdale.
From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the attention to detail. Beautiful tile floors, custom lighting, and designer finishes throughout.
And just look at this open concept living and dining area. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love a beautiful space to sip your morning coffee, this kitchen is designed to impress.
The spacious primary suite offers a luxurious retreat. You'll see dual vanities here and a walk-in shower that is just a dream. Step outside to your private patio. Perfect for dining al fresco, morning yoga, or just soaking up this beautiful sun.
And remember, Optima Camelview isn't just about the home, it's about the lifestyle.
Living here means enjoying world-class amenities, 2 outdoor pools, an indoor lap pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, concierge services, on-site dining, and beautifully landscaped gardens.
All within walking distance to Scottsdale's best shopping, dining, and entertainment.
If you're ready to experience the epitome of luxury living here at Optima Camelview,
We would love to give you a private showing. Contact us today for your private tour.
welcome
Welcome
home.
home.